Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I am going to take class 8 biology subject lesson 2 cell, the basic unit of life. Now I am going to discuss about vacuole. We can observe vacuole in plant cell. Okay, these are in big size. It will occupy 90% of cell space. These are discovered by Antonio van Leeuwenhoek. These are single membrane structures, single membrane bounded by the vacuole is called tonoplast, filled with fluid or liquid part. This is called cell sap. Okay, these vacuoles are present in plant cells. Vacuoles helps in maintain osmotic regulation. Osmotic regulation is nothing but to maintain osmotic pressure in the cell. To maintain the osmotic pressure in the cell, this is about osmotic regulation. Vacuoles, based on the work, we can classify it into food vacuoles, contractile vacuoles, these vacuoles filled with cellular fluid. Okay, these vacuoles are classified into food vacuoles, contractile vacuoles based on the work. Here, first of all, we will discuss food vacuoles. We will see amoeba. Amoeboid cells contain higher organisms. These contains food vacuoles. Okay, amoeba have, there is no definite shape. It can protrude outside the body. Some of the projections protrude outside the body. Wherever food is available, it will protrude outside. It will collect food. Okay, that projections will be disappear. Based on the food availability, it will protrude outside. Why? Because it has no definite shape. Single cell can perform all the activities in like digestion, excretion, circulation. Okay, all purpose will perform the single cell, a cellular organism, unicellular organism. It contains the food vacuole. Okay, this food vacuole, this single membrane contains the food particles. These fuse with the lysosomes to form food vacuoles. Lysosome contain digestive enzymes. That's why it will form the food vacuoles. Okay, based on the food availability, this will be form food vacuoles. Afterwards, it will be disappear. These are the temporary vacuoles. Next one, contractile vacuoles. Contractile vacuoles. So we will see amoeba, paramecium, okay, chlamydomonas, these are flagella. It contains contractile vacuoles. It contains contractile vacuoles. Amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas. These are the unicellular organisms. Single cell can perform all activities. Okay. These contains contractile vacuoles. These contractile vacuoles are specialized structures. It will takes the cellular fluid. It will swell up. Okay, it will grows big size. It will goes to the periphery region. It will rises up to the periphery region and it will burst outside. Inside a cellular content will send outside. Okay, it act like a excretory organ. Okay, it will perform osmoregulation and excretion purpose. Okay, these are the very important. These are the permanent vacuoles. These are the permanent vacuoles. Next one, nucleus. Nucleus is very important. It is master controlling organ. It controls, coordinates all other organelles in the cell. Okay, we will see the structure. Nucleus discovered by Rutherford. Nucleus discovered by Rutherford. Okay, this nucleus we will see nuclear envelope. It is a double membrane structure. Nuclear envelope is a double membrane structure. We will see the nuclear pore. This is nuclear pore. These are nuclear envelopes. Inside the nucleoplasm present inside. nuclear envelope, nuclear pore, nucleoplasm, okay, this is nucleolus, darkly stained body, nucleolus, dark spot, this is genetic material, chromatin, okay, this nuclear envelope, nuclear pore, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, nuclear envelope, chromatin, these are parts of nucleus, okay. We will discuss nuclear envelope. This is double membrane structure. It maintains like osmotic regulation. It will whatever materials or molecules required, it will send in and out outside. It's act like a barrier. Next one, genetic material. These are made up of amino acids. It mainly helps in cell division. Genetic material. Next one, here ribosomes, ribosomal factory. Okay, this genetic material, nuclear.